Old friends are a steady spring rain, or late summer sunshine edging into fall, or frosted leaves along a snowy path. A voice for all seasons saying, I know you. The older I grow, the more I fear I'll lose my old friends, as if too many years have scrolled by since we sprung forth, seeking each other. Old friend, I knew you well before we met. I saw you at the window of my soul. I heard you in the steady millstone of my heart, grinding grain for our daily bread. You are sedimentary, rock-solid cousin Earth, where I stand firmly, astonished by your grace and truth. And gratitude comes to me and says, tell me anything and I will listen. Well, ask me anything and I will answer you.
Gut. Du hast gewonnen.